If you don't like being stuck indoors, but love epic outdoor rides, then you need OpenSoft Lab Maps. OpenSoft Lab Maps are your ticket to the best hiking trails, cycling paths, and mountain biking tracks in the Merilapi region and beyond. Whether you're a casual rider or a mountain biking daredevil, our detailed maps will guide you through breathtaking landscapes and thrilling routes. But wait, there's more. Our maps also include local gems like scenic viewpoints, restaurants, and cozy cafes. Plus, they're constantly updated by fellow adventurers to ensure you get the freshest trails. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now, and let OpenSoft Lab Maps lead you to your next unforgettable outdoor adventure. Your journey starts here.